All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to straighten this logo out. I'm going to grab the Lasso tool, the standard one. I'm going to keep this a little loose just for this sake of speed. You might need to get back to what you're doing. So here we go. Right around there, I got kind of a loose selection there. Now, if I was to just go up to the transform tool and, free transform and rotate this, you see that we have a hole now. So we don't want that. So um, we have this selection. I'm going to go up here and I want to blur the edges of the selection a little bit so it's not such a harsh cutout. So feathering does just that. It makes the edge of this little selection just a little bit blurry. So we'll feather it by 20 because you can see here we got 100 pixels is that far. So yeah, that's way too much. So 20 is good. And then we're going to go up here to layer, new, and then via copy. Now we have just the see that's the feather I was talking about. It just blurs in instead of being a hard edge. And yeah, so we have just the logo up here now. Now we can go ahead and do what I originally did was the free transform. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it, but you're going to see the rest of the logo under there, right? So I'm going to hit enter. Now, all we got to do is get rid of that. I'm going to go ahead and hide this and then click on the layer I need to edit. Don't forget to be on the right layer with this one. And we're going to use the stamp tool. So this is it. There's different versions of ways to erase things, but this is a way that this is the one you want to use for this scenario. So I'm going to right click over here, and this is going to give me where I'm pulling the color from. See that those crosshairs, and then I'm just going to simply go over here and erase. Right, it's taking the color from where those crosshairs are, putting it right there. So you just want to be next to it. I'll do it over here too. So I'm going to go up here a little bit, and then I'm just going to go click, click. I got a little close. And you can adjust the size of this brush, right click, and you make it bigger. And you can make it a harder or softer brush. Hardness is just like the edge of it. It's not feathered in this scenario. So you can see it'll just like chop through this thing. See that? Boom. Not like a feathered one like I did up here. So you right click and then yeah, I either go like 100% or 0. I rarely am in the middle. Um, and also, the brush you can play with the opacity up here, which is really nice, and blending modes and stuff. But anyways, that's probably close enough. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, so it's back. Uh, that's the new logo. So then you can just you right click and merge down if you wanted to just combine them back. And now I got the move tool, and we aren't going anywhere. So yeah, logo stays. It's now merged and it's straight. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like. Let me know in the comments. Thanks.